Well, hello everybody. Welcome to P.B.M. Money. Today, I want to do something a little different. I want to take a look at midway through the month where I'm at and what stocks I'm looking at. Now, just to give you a little background, I dollar cost average in the market every month, and I do it around the first of the month. And I spend most of the month researching different stocks, gathering names, and then researching them, and then I keep a list of the stocks, and then I mark the ones that show promise, and I watch those through the month, and then I decide at the first of the month which one or ones I'm interested in. Now, what I've been doing lately, because I haven't been able to find any growth stocks, is I've been putting money back into stocks I already have as they dip. It's known as buying the dip. But that belies how much work goes into picking the stocks. Because I've got a list of stocks out there with probably 20 stocks on it, and today I'm going to talk about the top 5 prospects I've got to invest in next month, depending on how the market goes and what the stocks do. And I'm going to give you the 5 stocks and the information that I've got on them, and maybe a little bit about how I feel about it, but right now it's all just information, and as I watch it through the month, I'll get a better feel. Now, the first one I want to talk about is Prospect Capital. And this is one of those finance stocks. As you look at all the charts, if you're familiar with Robinhood, as you look through the charts, they're all green, they're all going up. This is a good growth stock. It's currently at $9.20 a share. The dividend rate is 7.83, which is high for most stocks, but for capital finance stock, it's about on par. It was founded in 2004, and I find that to be helpful, and you'll see why as we go on. The price to earnings ratio is 3.96, and the share price is equal to the pre-pandemic price. What that means is, as a growth stock, if there's any growth from here on out, it will be slow. It won't be to catch up as a lot of the other stocks have been. So that one is Prospect Capital, $9.20 a share. The next one is called Shift Technologies. This one has to do with electronic software for gaming, I do believe. Now the charts on this one, I'm going to pull my notes down because I don't have my glasses and I'm squinting. So Shift Technology, the 1-year chart shows some real potential, which means in the last year the line is red. The other charts are green, but for the last year it's been going down. That tells me that there is potential for growth here. Now, there is no dividend on this stock, and here's where that date comes in handy. This one was founded in 2013, which means this company is only what, 6-7 years old, and there's no price to earnings ratio available on this stock. Now, another feature on Robinhood is it'll tell you what the stock analysis people look at, and they are saying 85% buy, 14% hold, and nobody is recommending selling the stock. Again, that tells me this is a growth potential stock, and it is currently selling at $8.38 a share. Now the high has been $13.50 a share. So there is potential there to grow. So for a growth stock, I would say Shift Technology is looking pretty decent right now. Now this next one came from the Motley Fool. It's called Hawaiian Holding. The dividend is 0.42%. It was founded in 1929. Again, the date is very important. That thing's been around almost 100 years. And again, there's no price to earnings ratio. But here's the interesting thing. The stock analysis are saying 30% buy, 40% hold, 30% sell. Now it's currently selling for $28.83 a share. And based on what I can see, it looks like it looks to me like, based on the charts, this stock could double in the next 5 years. So if you were looking for a buy and hold stock, I'd say Hawaiian Holding is right up your alley. Now here's another one called Zomedica, and this one is designed to help veterinarians. It currently is selling pardon me, at 93 cents a share. And there was a note as I went through and was doing my research that said you can't buy fractional shares on this one, and that I've never seen before. So that tells me that there's something going on with this stock. The charts, of course, show a lot of potential. I mean, at 93 cents, all it has to do is go to $1.80 and you double your money. So there's a lot of potential here. But there's no dividend, there's no price to earnings ratio, and it was founded in 2013. Again, it's only 6 or 7 years old. Now the last one I want to look at is called Fisker. And this one has to do with electronic cars. It's based out in California. The stock right now is near its high. There is no dividend, no price to earnings ratio. It was founded in 2016. This stock is very, very volatile. And let me give you an example. In the last 52 weeks, it's been as low as $8.70 and as high as $31.96. This would be a stock for somebody that wants to go in and buy down around $8, $10, $12 a share and watch it very closely, and as soon as it shoots up, sell. And that might be what I'm looking at. And but here's what the stock analysis say: 60% buy, 30% hold, 10% sell. So 90% are saying buy or hold. For a stock that volatile, that surprises me, to tell you the truth. So there's the 5 stocks that I am looking at here as we go into mid-month: Prospect Capital, Shift Technologies, Hawaiian Holding, Zomedica, and Fisker. Now, I continue to look, I continue to investigate, and always remember that the one that I'm not telling you is that I might just take that money and put right back into stocks I currently own. It just depends. You know, if I decide I want to buy and hold, I might go Hawaiian Holdings. If I think I might want to get in and get out and try to make a quick profit, then I might do Fisker. If I decide I want to buy and keep it for dividends, then Prospect Capital. The question is, what am I going to want to do? The answer right now is I don't know. I'm going to keep looking, and I'm going to decide which one I think, at the time that I have to make that decision, which one is performing the best. Or I guess what I should say is which one is showing the best potential for what that stock is good for. Does it make sense? Like if I want to go for Fisker to get in and get out, if the stock is trading at $21 a share, I'm not buying that. But if it's trading around $8, $9 a share, that's a very good possibility because it's shown the potential to go to $30-some a share. So we'll just have to wait and see. But I thought it would be interesting to come on, and because I'm always looking for stock ideas, so I'm guessing you are too. So I thought I'd come on, give you the 5 top stocks that I'm looking at right now, mid-month, and then we'll see what the decision is when we get ready to go in and make our purchases. Well, that's about all I wanted to say. You guys have a great day, a great week, and happy investing.